Okay, here we are. We have a leaky oil filter adapter housing. So you gotta replace that gasket. So first we're gonna get in here with our pliers. We're gonna do away with our hose clamp, but I might have to have two hands get in there real well. Sucked out a couple bottles. Now, I've evacuated the system before I took any hoses loose. They were sitting empty. You don't want this stuff on the ground where animals can get it. Some things you just shouldn't do. Antifreeze during indoor environments, one of them. So I'm gonna wrestle this hose off. Okay. We have the hose off. So our first plane of attack will be underneath. We're going to take the oil filter loose. You can see where that stuff's been running pretty good. It's all coming out of that. There we go. Adapter housing gasket. Oh, just finished the rear end. Got a lot of work to do to this oil, this engine. Here comes our filter. Use the Motorcraft. I put that filter on there. First got her. We're gonna plug this little guy. This is the oil sending unit. I have a new oil sending unit. If I'm here, I'm doing it. You know? So we have a couple bolts up here. So we have one bolt here. One bolt should be right over here. So 1, 2, I think we should have 3 right here. Should be a 4th one. Must be, oh, there. Yeah, so 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We can get my electric ratchet here. Gonna slide extension on it. It shouldn't be horribly tight. I'm gonna remove that oil sending unit before I pull this off. So I'm gonna get that removed, and I'm gonna get those bolts out, and we're gonna come back here, and we'll show some cleanup and whatnot. Okay, we're back. Now we can see those bolts. 2 on this side, One on that side of the radiator neck. One down here. Whoa! Here comes the flood. Got this last one loose. That's why I have pans. We have our prize. Beat our prize. So. Oh. Interesting. There's a problem. Oh wow. Out of here. Look at that gasket. That is brittle. It was leaking. I do believe that was the cause. Oh yeah. See where it's been. Let's get the light over here. See where it's been running down. I got brake clean. Scraper, we're gonna clean this up real good. You can see it was leaking. See where it's just used oil. Oh yeah. She's a leaker. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up real nice. Painted. Clean. And we'll reinstall it with the new sending unit, new gasket. Okay, got that installed. Got my torque wrench out. I'm gonna set the 24 foot-pounds, and we're gonna go for the center ones. First. So, be there. Okay, gasket part number for the oil filter adapter. Sending unit. Oil pressure. Here's this. It just threads in. It's already coated. And we're good. Tighten it down. And put our new FL820S oil filter. So, so I'm going to tighten this up and I'll be back. Okay. I just wired this right over the end. Now I'll have to talk this back behind here. So, there we go. So just stick back behind. Now we'll get our FL820S filter and put it on. Here's our new FL820S oil filter. Fresh from the new release. Before I install it, I'm going to take some of our oil here. I'm just going to put some on the gasket. Not going to whoop you. Push that up through there, like so. Thread it on. Go up together. Spin it on hand tight. Whoops. Oh, okay. That's it. That's done. Sweet. We got that cleaned up a little. This thing's going to need to be steam cleaned. Rear main seal, oil pan, valve cover gasket. Front cover will have sway bar bushings. See, I've done link ins. Lower ball joint, upper ball joint, tie rod. These are still good. Done an idler. Need to do a pitman. It's not loose, no play, but